Hello everyone, in this video, we will go step by step through the latest 2026 version, from how to sign up for Binance to how to trade futures. Before we begin, if you click the link in the description below to sign up, you can receive a 20% discount on Binance trading fees and various bonus rewards. Therefore, we recommend signing up through the link below. First, let's take a look at how to sign up for Binance. Please click the link below. Then the Binance registration page will open. If you look at the screen on the left, you can see that the 20% Binance trading fee discount and various bonus rewards are applied. First, let's create an account. Enter your email address or mobile number. Check the terms and conditions. Then click the Continue button below. Select the image that corresponds to the word shown in the top left. When a verification code is sent to the email address or mobile number you entered, please enter that code. Next, enter your password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long, and include at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and a number. If you need to enter and invite a code, please enter BB333 in the code input field. Then you will receive a 20% discount on Binance trading fees and various bonus rewards, so be sure to enter BB333 before signing up. Once you have completed these steps, your Binance account will be successfully created. Next, let's look at how to complete KYC verification. You must complete KYC verification to deposit, withdraw, and trade on Binance. During the KYC process, you will need to complete face verification, so we will continue using a mobile device. Please install the Binance app on your mobile device. After installing the app, open it. Press the login button in the top left corner, and log in with the account you created on your PC. Once you log in, the KYC verification process will begin immediately. First, select your nationality. Next, proceed with identity verification by selecting one of the available ID types. In this video, we will select passport. Prepare your ID and press take pictures. Then press the continue button below. Position the passport information page within the camera frame. And take a clear photo without any light reflection. Next, proceed with face verification. Position your face within the camera frame, and follow the instructions by nodding your head and blinking your eyes. Once you complete this step, the KYC verification application will be submitted. The review process takes about 1 hour. And once it is approved, your KYC verification will be completed. Next, let's look at how to set up Google Authenticator. For security on Binance, you must install Google Authenticator. Open Binance again on your PC. Click Account from the menu on the left. Then select Security. To activate the Authenticator app, click the Manage button on the right. Click the Enable Authenticator app button below. Enter the verification code sent to your email or mobile number. The Authenticator setup screen will appear. Now install the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. After installing it, open the app. Press the plus button at the bottom right. And select Scan a QR code. When the camera scanning screen appears, scan the QR code displayed on the Binance PC screen. Then a 6-digit code labeled Binance will appear in the Google Authenticator app. Check that code, and return to the Binance PC screen. Click the Next button below. Finally, enter that 6-digit code into the Authenticator app code field. Now the Google Authenticator setup is complete. Second, let's look at how to use Binance peer-to-peer trading. Binance offers several deposit methods. In this video, we will look at the peer-to-peer trading method, which has no fees. First, click the wallet icon in the top right corner. You will see several wallet types. Spot is used for deposits, withdrawals, and spot trading. Futures is used for futures trading. To deposit coins into Binance, select Spot. Then click Deposit. And choose the peer-to-peer option. When the notice appears, check the terms. And click Start Trading. Select by mode to purchase coins. Next, select the coin you want to purchase. Most people trade USDT because it has high trading volume and relatively low volatility. Enter the purchase amount. Then select the currency you will use for payment. Click the button next to it to choose the payment method. Once selected, a list of advertisers will appear below. For safer trading, choose advertisers with high trading volume and a high success rate. Select the advertiser you want and click Buy USDT. Before starting the trade, be sure to check the advertiser's terms. Enter the purchase amount again, and select the purchase method. Then click Buy USDT. The seller's account information will appear. Before making the payment, be sure to check the chat on the right side. After confirming, send the payment to the seller. After sending the payment, return to the Binance PC screen. And click Transferred, notify seller. Click Upload and upload at least one proof of payment. Check the terms below. And click Confirm. While the seller verifies the payment, click the wallet icon again at the top right. Then click Spot. Once the seller confirms the payment, the coins will be deposited into your Spot wallet shortly. Third, let's look at how to trade futures on Binance. To start futures trading on Binance, you must transfer your coins from Spot to futures. Click Spot, and then click Transfer. Set the transfer direction from Spot to USD futures. Select the coin, and enter the transfer amount. Click Confirm. The coins will be transferred to futures shortly. To begin futures trading, click Trade in the top menu. Then select USD futures. You will be taken to the futures trading screen. Click the coin button in the top left to select the coin you want to trade. On the right panel, you can configure detailed futures trading settings. Click this button to set the margin mode. Cross uses all available margin to open positions. Isolated uses only part of your margin. Beginners are recommended to use the relatively safer isolated mode. Next to it, you can set the leverage. Leverage can be set up to 150x. Higher leverage increases potential profit, but also increases liquidation risk. Therefore, beginners are advised to trade with lower leverage. Click this button to set the order type. Limit places an order at a specified price. Market executes the order immediately at the current market price. You can check your available margin below. Set the trading price and quantity in this section. Finally, choose the position direction. If you think the price will go up, select Buy Long. If you think the price will go down, select Sell Short. After opening a position, click the Positions tab. You can check the current status of your position. Entry price is the price at which you entered the position. Mark price is the current market price. Leak price is the liquidation price. If the price reaches this level, the position will be automatically liquidated. P&L shows your current profit or loss. Click the pencil icon under TPSL for position to set take profit and stop loss prices. To close the position, click the button under Market Close All. Market closes the position at the current market price. Limit closes the position at a specified price. Selecting one of them will close the position. In this video, we went step by step through the latest 2026 version of how to sign up for Binance, and how to trade futures. If you have any questions while watching the video, feel free to leave a comment anytime. If this video helped you, please subscribe and give it a like. Thank you very much for watching.